Edexcel GCSE Mathematics C grade question. Expand the following expressions. X plus 3 all multiplied by x plus 2, p plus 1 all multiplied by p minus 2, and t minus 3 all multiplied by t plus 4. The first method I'm going to show you is the FOIL method, which represents first, outer, inner, and last. And so we've got x plus 3 all multiplied by x plus 2. And the FOIL method works like this. Take the first x, multiply it by the first x in the second bracket. So x multiplied by x gives you x squared. Go back to the first x in the first bracket, multiply it by the second term, which is plus 2. Plus 2 times x is plus 2x. You've exhausted all your multiplications of this x, so now we move on to the plus 3. Plus 3 multiplied by the first x is plus 3x. And plus 3 again multiplied by plus 2 gives us plus 6. The middle part needs to be tidied up a little bit. We can add those because they are both terms in x, which gives us x squared. 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 5x. And finally plus 6. And we've expanded the first expression using the FOIL method. Fairly quick, fairly simple, but mistakes can be made on that one. And the second one, we can avoid the mistakes by breaking up the first bracket into its component parts and multiplying each component part by everything in the second bracket. So the first part is p, and we're going to now multiply that by p minus 2. The second part is plus 1, and again, important that we put the plus there, multiplied by p minus 2. And then it's a simple case of multiplication along the line. So p multiplied by p is p squared. P multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2p. 1 multiplied by p is p. 1 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 2. And again, we just need to tidy up this part, but we have p squared. Minus 2p plus p is minus p. And then finally, don't forget the minus 2 at the end. And that's the second one. I'll repeat this method for the third example, which is t minus 3 all multiplied by t plus 4. So the first bracket is broken into its component parts, which is t, and then we multiply by the second bracket, t plus 4. Last component part of the first bracket is minus 3, all multiplied by t again, plus 4. Now, t multiplied by t gives us t squared. T multiplied by plus 4 gives us plus 4t. Minus 3 multiplied by t is minus 3t. Minus 3 multiplied by 4 is minus 12. And then again, just tidy up the middle part. So we have t squared plus 4t minus 3t is plus t, and then minus 12. And you have a choice of methods. You can use the FOIL method, or you can use the method where you use the component parts of one bracket multiplied by everything in the remaining bracket.